Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the 6th question from the St. Anne's Diocesan College preliminary exam, which was written in the year of 2023. Please do expect a total number of 10 videos since the question paper had 10 questions in total. That simply means guys, each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. Knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as well. And please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay. The first 24 terms of an arithmetic sequence or a series is given. They want us to calculate the sum of this series. Okay, firstly, we are told that this series guide is arithmetic. That means we can find a common difference, right? Okay, the common difference will simply be equal to 8. Are you together? You can simply say Sn is equal to n over 2 and then say a plus l, or we can say Sn is n over 2 and then there's 2a plus n minus 1d. Are you together? So it's just 24 all over 2. The first term is 48. The last term is 232. So this will just give me the sum of the first 24 terms. The sum of the first 24 terms. 48 plus 232. So this will just give me 3,360. And I'm expecting to find the same thing, guys, if I use the other equation. That's 24 over 2. That's 2 multiplied by 48 plus 24 minus 1 multiplied by the difference, which is 8. I'm expecting to find the same answer of 3,360. Okay, and then I must calculate the sum of all the natural numbers. From 48 up to 232. So the first term, guys, a is just equal to 48. D is equal to 1, because the natural numbers, guys, will be 48, 49, 50, 51, etc. until 232. So the number of terms, guys, will simply be 232 minus 47. I'm saying minus 47 because I will start counting from 48. So I must not eliminate 48, guys, from these natural numbers. Ne? 232 minus 47 is equal to 185. 185. So there are 185 numbers. If I start counting from 48 up until 232, I have 185 numbers. And then my last term is just equal to 232. Even here, guys, you can simply use these two, either one of the two equations. You can say Sn is equal to n over l, n over 2 rather, and then say a plus the last term. You'll simply get 185 over 2, then that's 48 plus 232, and then you'll find your answer. 185 divided by 2 multiplied by 48 plus 232. This will just give us 25,900. Do the same thing over here, guys. By using the other equation, you'll get the same answer. You'll simply say 2a plus n minus 1d. That's just 185 over 2. Then there's 2 multiplied by 48 plus n is just 185 minus 1. And then the difference is also equal to 1. Punch these, guys, on a calculator. believe me, you'll get 25,900 as well. Okay, and then now we are being told to hence calculate the sum of all natural numbers from 48 to 232 that are not divisible by 8. Okay. So in all the natural numbers, guys, we have the ones which are divisible by 8. Okay, let me just say the sum of all natural numbers is equal to the sum of the ones which are divisible by 8 divisible plus the sum of not divisible by 8. Because in all the natural numbers, guys, from 48 until 232, we have two categories. Other numbers can be divisible by 8, whereas other numbers cannot be divisible by 8. Are you together? But they just want us to find the sum of the numbers which are not divisible by 8. So I can simply say, therefore, the sum of numbers that are not divisible by 8 is just equal to the total sum of all the natural numbers, are together, minus the sum of numbers which are divisible by 8. We just calculated, guys, the sum of the numbers which are the sum of all natural numbers from 48 to 232, and then we got 25,900. And then the sum of numbers which are divisible by 8, we should go back to the first question over there. We have 24 of them, and we did find the sum as well to be 3,360. That's just 3,360. So the final answer will simply be 22,540. So the sum of all numbers that are not divisible by 8, starting from 48 until 232, this is just the sum of all these numbers. Okay, and then now, guys, we are told to consider a geometric sequence. Okay, we are told that the sum to infinity is equal to 27, and the sum of the first three terms is equal to 26. They want us to calculate the value of the constant ratio of the series by solving simultaneously. Okay, we are told that sum to infinity is equal to 27. If I have infinity over there, guys, that simply means this guy over here is just equal to sum infinity. Are you together? And I'm also told that the sum of the first three terms is just equal to 26. So over here, I know that the equation simply says a over a minus r is just equal to 27. Are you together? A minus r is just equal to 27, and hence a is just equal to 27 multiplied by 1 minus r. This will just give me my first equation. Over here, guys, I can simply say a, and then I have 1 minus r to the power 3, because I have 3 terms, right? All over 1 minus r. This is just equal to 26. That means a multiplied by 1 minus r cubed is just equal to 26 multiplied by 1 minus r. This is my second equation, guys. For me to find the value of r, I can simply say equation 2 divided by equation 1. You'll end up having a to the power a minus 8 multiplied by 1 minus r to the power 3 all over on the left hand side of equation 1, I only have a, right? This is equal to 26 multiplied by 1 minus r. And then on the left hand side of equation 1, I have 27 multiplied by 1 minus r. I'll end up having 1 minus r because the a's will cancel. 1 minus r to the power 3 is equal to 26 all over 27. If I take the 1 to the other side, I'll end up having negative r squared is equal to 26 over 27 minus 1. That's basically negative 1 over 27. If I can take the cube roots on both sides, I'll end up having negative r is just equal to negative 1 over 3, and therefore r is equal to a third. That's how, guys, you're supposed to tackle these questions. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.